This is your handy video on the Swift Archway Sport Twywell. We'll start off at the front. Okay, the stabiliser goes up, the cable goes in, the stabiliser locks it into place till the green pin shows up like so. So release the stabiliser up, the cable comes out. You have a handbrake, Twywell handle, 13 pin plug to go into the back of your car, which does your exterior lights which you see around the van, and 12 volts to the fridge if your car is wired correctly. Have your battery locker with two spares of 2 6kg propane gas bottles and bucket regulator. Flue for the trim boiler, trim umbilical cord which slips into the Archway, which the trigger goes in, slots in with the onboard pump, battery strap, battery tray, 2 terminals for the battery, 2 for the battery inlet, and your motor mover isolation key and switch. Have your waste outlet, filler point for toilet cassette, and your toilet cassette locker, which pulls in and out. Above the door you have your main control panel where you press power. Obviously if you view your levels, you've got obviously your levels of the battery, and obviously the vehicle battery as well. Obviously the first thing you want to make sure that you do is make sure your drain off valve is facing down in the horizontal position to hold the water in, and your 12 volt shutdown button is turned on, and your main RCD is tripping, so obviously when you press it, it will trip like so. Like so. And you have your charger. Obviously when you've got the mains plugged in, press the charger button, that will obviously charge your battery. Heating and hot water, that needs to be on to use your heating and hot water on electric. You have 3 MCBs and your 12 volt fuses, which is down here on 4. Once everything is in the correct position, on your water pump, you press on like so, and you open the tap to get all the air out of the system. Obviously in the kitchen, bathroom and shower. Above the door here we have your trimmer panel, so you have your internal temperature like so, turn it on to whatever you like. Hot water on Eco, Hot or Boost, and obviously the appliance you can use it on gas, electric 1, 2 or mix, and your blow air heating, Eco, High or Boost, that goes around the van like so, with the blown air around the van. Turn off, just hold button for a few seconds. Obviously once you have been using it, you need to make sure that that off button is gone off the screen before you turn off the van. In your fridge here, let's turn on and hold the power button like so, and you want to hold the square button like so till it flashes to change the source of to the fridge. So you've got battery, gas and mains. 12 volt will only work when connected to the car and will only maintain temperature already in the fridge. Gas will start ticking and obviously will not ignite. If it does not ignite, just turn it off and turn it back on again, just as a reset. So turn off, hold power button for a few seconds till the green light goes off. Your Thetford oven, 3 gas hobs on top, gas grill, gas oven. To turn it on, push it in like so while pressing the igniter button. Same goes for the grill and the oven. In the bathroom we have your Thetford flush, where you press the button down. Obviously that will empty into the toilet, where you can open your flap from the bottom to empty into quick so that can close. On this van you have an alarm fitted, Sergeant 310. So you press the button like so, 1 to arm, 2 to disarm, and your PIR down there which detects any movement. Before we demonstrate the motor mover, we have your interisation sheet how to correctly winterise the caravan ready for winter to stop any frost damage, which isn't covered by our warranty, as it shows on our warranty cover, which we've got what we do cover and what we don't. On this phone you have a motor being fitted, so you get your bar on like so, and you push it on, engage it onto the wheel, which will do both sides. And you turn your isolation switch on, take the handbrake off, double click the controller, also your van will go where you want the van to go. When it's finished, apply the handbrake, turn the switch off, double click the handset and disengage the wheel.